Calling upon next is an individual who has demonstrated exceptional academic achievement, leadership skills, and a commitment to excellence throughout his time in presidency. We recognize not only his dedication to personal growth, but also his constant pursuit of knowledge. I am confident that his speech will be filled with wisdom and a reflection on the transformative journey we have all experienced during our time here. Let us all warmly welcome our head boy of presidency, Mohammad Farhan Hossain, to the podium to bid farewell to our institution in a truly memorable way.
The chief of the day is Excellency Professor Dr. M. Shamsher Ali Sir, the guest of honor, Mohammad Mizanur Rahman Sir, Honorable Rector, Dr. Imam Hassan Reza, Presidency Education, respected Vice Principal, Senior School, Intikab, respected Vice Principal, Middle School, Muhammad Joshimuddin, and all other distinguished managing committee members and dignitaries on and off the board. And my beloved teachers from all three campuses and respected parents. And of course, my very own buddies. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to you one and all. This is undoubtedly a very nostalgic moment for me, standing here in front of you all to deliver perhaps the last speech in this wonderful institution, Presidency International School. I have given several speeches in Presidency, spoken at many gatherings, and debated fearlessly with my seniors and juniors. I used to be nervous at times, scared too, but Ryan sir was always there to back me up. Today, it is a lot different. I'm not scared, I'm not nervous. But you see, human minds are vulnerable to distractions. But perhaps I don't have to use my mind today because I'm going to speak my heart out. Still, it's not easy. My heart is filled with emotions bursting out. But today, I stand here before you all to speak on behalf of all the graduates, to speak as a head boy of this prestigious institution, to speak as a proud graduate of Presidency International School. 12 years ago, when I entered Presidency, I cried a lot. Reason? My mother thought I'm smart enough to handle a double promotion, leaving my friends behind. And 12 years later, history repeats. I would like to cry. I still doesn't feel anything right. Yes, my dear friends, life is very strange. Many thoughts to be translated into words, many memories to be shared, quite a few people to be thanked. And I would like to go to that one by one. You know, it's not possible to summarize my whole journey in 4 to 5 minutes, but I will give my best shot. One of the strongest pillars of presidency, without whom we wouldn't have come this far, our beloved principal, retired Lieutenant Colonel Mohammad Ziauddin Buruttom. Though he is not around us all the time, but surely he is the pillar of strength of presidency and always there in our hearts. Then comes our vice principal, Intikab sir, one of the greatest individuals I've came across in presidency, who tells us how to keep pace with the world's running race, who motivates us with his words very often in the assembly. Thank you, sir, for always cheering us to take up new challenges and proving we are the best. Now, before thanking this very special person, I must say it out loud. Hello, Presidency! Alright, I guess you have guessed by now who I'm going to talk about. Our very own Vice Principal from Middle School, Muhammad Joshimuddin sir. He's one of those persons who have witnessed the major twists and turns in my life. When I got elected as the head boy, he was the first person to congratulate me and tell me that you were elected to set an example. So make your best move accordingly. Thank you so much, sir, for everything you have done for us students. We shall always be grateful to you till our last breath. I have no words to express how grateful I am to this institution. I would like to thank all my beloved teachers from playgroup to grade 12 from the bottom of my heart for having us taught not only ABC and 1, 2, 3, but also what life is about, for guiding us through the different phases of our lives, for having us encouraged to do wonders, for having scolded us whenever we made a mistake, for having loved whenever we needed somebody the most, for making us the best version of ourselves. Starting with perhaps the coolest class teacher one can get, Zeri Miss. You have been a source of inspiration for all the students, particularly our class, A2P. Moving on from one genius to another, I would definitely miss Zakia Miss, and of course her loud voice, which we could hear from the corridor if she entered the classroom before us. But regardless of that, how scared we are of you, ma'am, we love you the most as a teacher and respect you a lot. I will surely miss Mashraf sir for his intellectual questions and for letting us know the concept of gravity and Shukorna. We'll surely miss Ujjwal sir and his green t-shirts, of course. I will miss Amir sir of lab classes because he was one of the person who had told me, Farhan, I want to see you as the head boy of presidency. Thank you so much, sir, for showing me to how to read. And all other my teachers, Korim sir, Nusrat miss, Zebannasa miss, Israt miss, Salma miss, Sabia miss, Shahid sir, Ashraf sir, Sarmin miss, Raihan sir, who has helped me a lot in debates. Thank you all so much for being a part of this wonderful journey. I have always been fascinating this head boy thing always, and it got more intense when I saw Mr. Amin Hannan, former head prefect, presidency education. And he has not been the only favorite of the students, but also all the teachers as well. Once I came back home and I told my mom, I wish I could be the favorite person of all the people in my school. And 4 years later, I returned home and told my mom, Ammu, I became the head boy of presidency. Leading the school by being the most senior was surely not an easy task. But my friends and juniors made this journey a lot smoother and easier. Some of the names I must mention. Nazmul Hayat, the prodigy of programming presidency has ever given to Bangladesh. Azrafuddin Idra, one of the finest monarchs in the city. Reza Riaz Ahmed, the Kobe brand of presidency. His name says it all. Last but not the least, my dear best friend, Mohammad Omar Saad, the Cristiano Ronaldo of presidency. I bet you won't dare to defend him in the football field. Thank you to each and every one of you guys for taking presidency to greatest heights and prove again and again we are the best. I am blessed to be one amongst you. You see, what we are not capable of doing, starting from attending international contests at Harvard University and winning the gold for the country, and to attending different tournaments and showing our potential as an athlete. We did it all together. We have proved time and again we are very much capable of creating history. So let's go out there and create history. This is Mohammad Farhan Hossain, head boy of Presidency International School, batch of 2023, officially signing out. Thank you.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.